Changing your payout method on Rambox is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Login. Access your Rambox account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payout Methods or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payout method, check for a confirmation message or email from Rambox. Ensure that your new payout method is listed correctly in your account settings. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Rambox. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.